to all of you, my dear shareholders, for your faith that you have reposed in Reliance year after year for the last 40 years. I want to dedicate these 40 years of achievements and records to only one person, to our founder chairman, Shri Dhirubhai Ambani. Thank you. Thank you. And all through this 40 years, I am grateful to my mother, Srimati Kokilaben, who is present with us here today. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Dear friends, let me again begin this AGM with Reliance Jio. It has been only 10 months since the launch of Jio, and what an incredible journey it has been. Jio has broken one world record after another. First, nobody believed that we could acquire customers fast enough to justify our over 200,000 crore investment in the world's largest greenfield 4G LTE all IP network. Team Jio stunned the world. They over-delivered on the 100 million target that I had set for them. In less than 170 days, more than 100 million customers signed up for Jio's service. On an average, Jio added 7 customers per second every single day. This was the fastest adoption of any technology service anywhere in the world. Faster than even Facebook, WhatsApp, and Skype. This is a testament to the unwavering trust that Indians have placed in us and their love for the Jio brand. Today, Jio has over 125 million customers. I sincerely thank each and every one of our customers. आप सबको मैं मेरे दिल से धन्यवाद देता हूं. Second, before the launch of Jio, skeptics said that voice over LTE is a globally unproven technology. But we proved them wrong. We enabled Jio users to make unlimited voice calls from anywhere to everywhere in India absolutely free. Jio users consistently make more than 250 crore minutes of voice and video calls every single day. We are grateful to our Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi's Digital India vision, which allows the benefits of technologies to be passed on directly to Indian customers. Third, many analysts believed that India can never be the largest data market in the world. And again, Jio proved them wrong. In just 6 months, of Jio's launch, data consumption in India went from 20 crore gigabits a month to 120 crore gigabits a month and has been multiplying ever since. Now, Jio customers alone are consuming over 125 crore gigabits of data every month. And this includes 165 crore hours of high-speed video every month that people are using on their phones, making Jio the largest mobile video network. Indeed, India has overtaken the United States and China in mobile data usage. Before Jio's launch, India was 155th in the world in mobile broadband penetration. Now, India is number 1 in mobile data consumption and I believe that India is well on its way to becoming number 1 in mobile broadband penetration in the coming months. Fourth, skeptics said India being India, free users will never convert to paid users. Once again, Jio's customers proved them wrong. Starting March of this year, Jio successfully undertook the largest migration from free to paid services in history. And we have converted majority of our free customers to paid customers. Today, Jio has more than 100 million paying Jio customers. Most of them have recharged on Jio's very popular rupees 309 or higher plans. Jio Prime members will continue to get tariff benefits with the Jio Dhan Dhana Dhan and the Everyday More Value plans. Additionally, they will get many attractive surprises. Jio Prime members have a special place in our hearts. We thank them for their trust in Jio, and I want to commit that Jio is a customer-obsessed organization and will always walk the extra mile in serving them every single day. My dear share owners, there are 78 crore mobile phones in India. However, let us not forget that in this 78 crores, there are more than 50 crore feature phone users who have been left out of the digital revolution. They cannot avail any benefits of a smartphone, much less the benefits of a 4G LTE smartphone. They can neither afford the cheapest 4G LTE smartphone nor the exorbitant cost of data charged by existing 2G operators. At last year's AGM, I had said that data is the oxygen of digital life, and no Indian should suffer because of data scarcity and unaffordability. Sadly, a vast majority of mobile users in India are starved of data. This digital disempowerment and unfairness must end. Jio is committing to end it today. We shall achieve this in 3 ways: connectivity, data affordability, and device affordability. First, connectivity. Jio is a data-strong network built for the internet from ground up with the highest speeds and the best coverage. This is a significant advantage we have over all other Indian operators. For the past 5 months, the TRAI Speed Test Portal, which officially monitors the quality of telecom networks in India, has consistently ranked Jio as the clear 4G network leader in coverage, usage, and data speeds. Our network continues to rapidly expand across the country. Jio, in the next 12 months, will cover 99% of our country's population. Because of Jio, India's 4G coverage will be more than its 2G coverage. It took 25 years for our competitors to build their 2G network. Jio will have created a larger 4G network in just 3 years.